Jesus Christ.
It's so easy.
Oh, how'd you get down here?
The key was in the elevator.
Oh, my God.
I gotta say, this is not what I was expecting. You said it was old? Wow.
I thought we were supposed to meet out front.
Well, I get tired of waiting.
Where are you going?
I'm having a little look.
Come back.
God, the place just keeps going.
Well, 3 generations of Tildens keep expanding and end up at this state-of-the-art facility. Hey, come on.
What's the rush?
I've been down here all day.
You got to see me at my job. Why can't I see you at yours?
You work at a bookstore.
Are these all people?
Just 3 tonight.
Can I see one?
What? No, you cannot see one.
Why not?
Because there's some things you can't unsee, okay?
Come on, I can handle it.
No. And my dad, he's way too strict.
Try me. So, what'll it be?
Oh, are you serious?
Are you?
Hell yeah.
Pick one.
Not that one. The one next to it.
A body's a body.
Yeah, but I picked that one. What's that for?
Make sure he's dead. There used to be a time it was hard to tell a coma was present, so coroners tied bells to everybody in the morgue. So if they heard a ting, they knew somebody down there wasn't quite ready to go.
So why do you have one?
I'm a bit of a traditionalist.
Why do you cover his face?
There wasn't much of a face left to cover. Point blank gunshot blasts tend to do that.
Who shot him?
Angle of entry suggests he did it to himself until we found strychnine in his system. Judging by the progress it made through his bloodstream, he was already dead by the time somebody blew his face off.
Why would anyone do that?
Oh, you sound like your boyfriend. Leave the why to the cops and the shrinks. We're just here to find cause of death. No more, no less.
You don't want to see that.
It's all right.